All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So pass away. Pass away. So let's have a picture. Oh yeah, here we are. Pass away. Perfect. Yes. Pass away. Very good. Yeah. To die. To die. He might pass away soon. Yeah. She passed away. She passed away last night. Passed away last night. Definitely. We all have a risk of passing away. We will all pass away one day. Yeah. We are not sure how he passed away. How did he die? We're not sure. We're not sure how he died. He passed away in his sleep. Yeah. How cool is that? They might pass away gently in the night. The best way to pass away is at an old age of natural causes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. She is passing away now. Yeah. Passing away now. How cool is that? How is he passing away? Well, it depends on things. Yeah, maybe old age. Old age, perhaps. Yeah. Yeah. When do you think they will pass away? Yeah, well, it might take him a long time until he passes away. It depends on how strong he is. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. The stronger he is, the longer it'll take him to pass away. The stronger he is, the longer it will take him to pass away. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, pass away. Now, can you use pass away in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.